HCPC registration as a physiotherapist opens up doors to a world full of opportunities. Congratulations if you have already completed the registration process. But if you haven't, you need to understand the steps to follow after completing the HCPC registration process so that you can prepare yourself accordingly. Hello everyone, welcome back to MedCare by Academically. Today's video is for physiotherapists trying to navigate the pathway to build a rewarding physiotherapy career in the United Kingdom after HCPC registration. So quickly like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel so that we can begin. Okay, now let's get started. The first step is finding the right job that aligns with your skills and professional goals. The UK healthcare system offers a wide range of opportunities, whether it's working with the NHS, private clinics, or in community roles. Now here are some tips to get started. So you tailor your CV to add your HCPC registration and focus on clinical skills, communication abilities and adaptability to the UK healthcare environment. Explore job portals and platforms like NHS Jobs, Indeed, LinkedIn and healthcare specific job boards, which are great resources. Now look for mentorship roles or additional training opportunities to adjust to the UK system. The next and very important step is adapting to the UK healthcare environment. And for this, you can engage in continuing professional development by attending workshops, seminars, or taking online courses, and develop cultural competence by building strong communication skills and cultural awareness. Now, another important thing to do in this journey is networking and building professional connections. Joining professional organizations like the Chartered Society of Physiotherapy, CSP, can provide valuable resources, support, and connections. And additionally, attending conferences and seminars is a great way to stay informed about industry trends while meeting like-minded professionals. Next, it is quite important to stay updated on HCPC requirements. Remember, HCPC registration is an ongoing process. You'll need to renew it every 2 years, and this involves maintaining records of your CPD activities. So be sure to keep your CPD records organized in case you are selected for an audit. Continue adhering to the HCPC's professional standards to ensure a long-term successful career in the UK. So once you are comfortable in your role, think about specializing. This could lead to a higher pay, greater job satisfaction, and new opportunities. You can either pursue postgraduate courses in areas like geriatrics, neurology or pediatrics, or transition into leadership, research or teaching roles within the field. Now, by following these steps, you can pave the way for a successful and enriching career in the UK as a physiotherapist. Your HCPC registration is just the beginning of an exciting journey. By finding the right job, preparing for the UK healthcare culture, networking, staying updated on requirements, and considering specializations, you'll set yourself up for a successful and rewarding career. And for more assistance, consider seeking help from an expert. At Academically, we offer complete guidance to aspiring physiotherapists who are ready to take their physiotherapy career to the next level by registering with the HCPC. For more details about our HCPC registration assistance program, visit Academically.com and book a free counseling session with our experts today. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and here's to your bright future as a physiotherapist in the UK.